Before assuming the not enough oil noise is caused by low lubricant levels, it's important to confirm the actual source of the problem. The AC compressor noise could stem from various issues beyond just oil levels. Tesla vehicles are equipped with onboard diagnostics that include leak sensors in the AC system. These can detect potential refrigerant leaks early and alert you through the Tesla mobile app, helping identify if oil depletion might be the issue. For manual inspection, visually check for signs of refrigerant leaks around hoses, connections, and the compressor. Professional technicians often use UV dye injected into the system, which glows under black light to pinpoint leak locations precisely. The most reliable way to diagnose AC compressor issues is to schedule an appointment at an authorized Tesla service center. Their certified technicians have specialized equipment to perform pressure tests and thorough inspections. Attempting DIY fixes without proper knowledge and equipment can void your vehicle's warranty and potentially cause further damage to the AC system. Professional servicing ensures the problem is correctly identified and repaired. Tesla issued a recall, NHTSA Campaign 23V123, for Model 3 vehicles built between 2017 and 2021 due to AC compressor failures from refrigerant leaks and low oil. Check if your VIN is included in the recall. Software updates were rolled out to monitor AC system health and provide early warnings. Eligible vehicles receive free diagnostics and replacements under warranty. PAG, or polyalkylene glycol oil, plays a critical role in the Tesla Model 3 AC system. This specialized lubricant is essential for the smooth operation of the electric AC compressor. PAG oil is specifically formulated for AC systems. It coats moving parts, reducing friction and heat buildup during compression cycles. When PAG oil levels drop, the lack of lubrication causes metal components to grind against each other. This friction damages bearings and produces the familiar noise you hear. Tesla's electric AC compressor requires specialized PAG oil that works with high-voltage components. Using non-approved oil can cause system malfunctions or void warranties. Professional AC service for Tesla Model 3 involves a systematic approach to fix the not enough oil issue. First, technicians evacuate the system to remove old refrigerant and any remaining oil, ensuring a clean start. The system is then recharged with the precise amount of PAG oil, typically 4 to 6 ounces, depending on the specific compressor type used in your Model 3. Technicians conduct thorough inspections for leaks at key components, O-rings, hoses, and the compressor itself. Leak sealing is absolutely critical. It prevents future oil loss and protects the compressor from damage that could lead to costly repairs. Thanks to streamlined parts logistics, Tesla service centers can complete these repairs in just a few hours, getting your AC system back to optimal performance quickly. Attempting to add oil or refrigerant using DIY kits can introduce contaminants like dirt or moisture into the AC system. These impurities cause accelerated wear on compressor bearings, leading to metal-on-metal contact and eventual compressor seizure. AC systems in vehicles like the Tesla Model 3 operate under extremely high pressure, typically 100 to 150 psi depending on conditions. Mishandling during DIY attempts can lead to explosive release of refrigerant, causing serious injury from cold burns, eye damage, or system rupture. Performing DIY repairs on your Tesla Model 3's AC system voids the manufacturer's warranty. This means you'll be responsible for the full cost of any subsequent repairs, which can range from $800 to $1,200 or more, in addition to the expense of fixing any new damage caused by improper handling. Tesla is integrating AI-driven diagnostics for predictive alerts on AC health. This technology monitors the AC system in real time and sends notifications to owners before issues become serious. The upcoming Model 3 refresh, expected in 2026-2027, will include redesigned compressors equipped with self-lubricating bearings. This innovation aims to completely eliminate oil-related failures by reducing friction and wear on internal components. Looking ahead, more electric vehicles influenced by Tesla's approach will adopt low-leak refrigerants that are more environmentally friendly and reduce the risk of system failures. Additionally, modular AC units will become common, making repairs faster and less expensive by allowing easy replacement of individual components. For older Model 3 vehicles, biannual AC inspections are recommended, especially for high-mileage vehicles. These regular checkups can identify leaks early and prevent major compressor failures. Regular checkups can identify leaks early and prevent major compressor failures. Monitor your Tesla app for AC health alerts. By 2030, advancements in materials and technology are expected to improve EV AC system durability by 50%.